See, Chelsea actually does do work in school, Dan. She doesn't sleep. She's working.
Yeah, so kiss my booty. That one, right there.
You know, you're supposed to be working, remember?
I am.
She's a working class...
My name is very hard.
She's a working class, middle class woman, and she's independent, and she'll kill you if you touch her baby.
Yes.
Because she's a single mom. Who's divorced?
Who's divorced? Hell yeah, I'm divorced. Just wait till he goes off a cliff. Just kick him.
Well,
Oh, I hate him. I hate him.
you might not want to say that in case he does die. And this is Sam. She's also an upper class, hard-working woman.
Cringe at chicken parm.
I love chicken parm.
I am going to right now.
Uh-oh, girl fight. Sophia's not coming today. She's taking a test.
Yes, that's so.
St. John Preschool main office.
Alright, I'm gonna say something, you have to sing. Okay?
You have to sing.
Okay, you have to sing this line. Things that make you go, oh!
Things that make you go, oh!
No, like the commercial though. She goes, ow! How about